Good evening, everyone. I'm Oludamola Ogidon, a renowned virtual assistant, also known as executive assistant. I work remotely with about more than 10 years working experience now. I'm detailed, precise, calculated, calm, amiable. I'm good at using different softwares and applications. Like for communications, we have Zoom, we have Skype, and we have other video calls. Depends on the occasions. We have Meet, Google Meet, we have Teams, and some others. We have WhatsApp video call too, Facebook video call. Like I said, depends. Um, I have different administrative skills. I'm good at choosing different software. Like I said before, I mentioned some of them. We have the Microsoft Office. We have the Google Suite. Microsoft Office contains Microsoft Word, spreadsheets, Excel, and the rest of them. Good at scheduling, time management, reports, programming, arrangements, logistics, a whole lot. Thank you very much. I'll be glad if I get any. Um, I'm open to work. Like I said, I work remotely, so I'll be glad if I can get any employment offer. Thank you so much.